Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be giving you some tips on how you can display your job to clients. So whether you are a graphics designer, you are a fashion designer, if into photography and so on and so on, by which your job entails you displaying your job to clients, probably for them to give comments if what they don't like in the job or what they want you to improve. So this video is meant for you guys, so let's jump into it. So I'm going to be doing this on my smartphone here. So just with your smartphone you can do this, and with the aid of this app I'm going to be mentioning. I know you guys, most of you guys know this application. So it's the InShot application. So this is the application. So I'm going to click this InShot application. So after clicking on it, and then the another thing you see here is create new. So video, photo. So I'm going to go to college here. So you can see here it says choose 1 to 9 photos to create beautiful college. So I'm going to be choosing some kind of designs I make here. So it's gonna be, let's say, layout. I'm going to let me choose my job first. So I'm going to be choosing something like, so the work I did for a customer. So let me say this and this. So it's gonna be like that. So let's just say these three. So this is meant for a client. So this job is meant for a client. So and I want to present this job to the client. So and how do I do this? So you can see, so I want to add some layout here, so to make it more beautiful, so it doesn't look better this way. So because there are some elements that are hiding on this picture. So let me see something. I think this is better, this is good. Let me try something else. So there are lots of layouts you can use here, so just to display the job. So you can see this. So there's another one here. Okay, okay. So I think we have more layouts here which we can use. So let's say I'm going to choose something like this. Okay, so after that you can also add border to it. You can see something like this. So the border here is giving space in between the job, so you can see. So if you don't want it, you can simply leave it untouched, and you can see some kind of, like, you can see the border outside the job. So this gives something like a uh curve to the job. So okay, you can make it a cycle. You can see, so you can see this. Okay, so then you click on this. So after this you can see it's looking very fine now, very beautiful. So different from just doing the job and sending it to the clients one by one. So you can just group everything together and just send it to the person. So and he or she will choose whichever job he likes, even though if he wants to have these 3 jobs, so he's gonna choose from this. So so and then you can add some other things like canvas. You can see some canvas. You can add some color filter. So you can see cinema here, cinema 2. You can also add some effects as well. So you can add some effects. So and you may choose to, let me just leave it as original. You can adjust the color. You can see, so contrast as well, so warmth, everything. So you can add saturation, fade, everything here. So if you so like to do so. So and then the next thing I'm going to do here is to save my job after completing this. So then I click on this save button here. So it's saved now, and then the next action, you can see some actions here. So you can decide to leave it saved that way in your phone storage, and then you can as well decide to share it to others, so for them. So if the client is on one social platform, probably on WhatsApp, so you can see it's bring some options here. So you can see you can share with WhatsApp business, you can share with, you can see you can share directly from this place. So you can, it's really, you can see how beautiful this is looking. So, and then another thing is you just click on this, so, and then you exit the application. So, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, comments in the comment section, and please guys, do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon for you to receive more updates when I drop them. Thanks so much for watching.